Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for educational purposes only, shouldn't be considered investment advice. Go to 1-800-OPTIONS to get the risk characteristics of options. So, hey, Options Made Easy starts this Tuesday, the 18th at 7 p.m. Central Time. Get yourself registered. It's a 5-part series. Comes with a month of OptionPit Live. It comes with a free 20-minute session with me. It's about as good of a deal as you're going to get for $197. So it's a steal. Speaking of steals, how about volatility? Here we are today. The market is up nicely. We're up 16 points. So this is the biggest update we've seen in a while. The NASDAQ is up a full 1%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is up 0.75%, and the Russell is strong as well. So there is strength across the board in the financial markets today. And we saw, even with Goldman coming out and saying, these new phones are going to lower Apple's pricing. There's a big bid underneath for Apple. And that is driving it higher. There is just a lot of stuff going on here today, folks. Seems to be relatively bullish. The market is definitely on the rally. You look at kind of the major sectors here. Taking off some calls that I had on from our chat room. The only thing, energy's off a touch. Some of the retail names are off a touch, but that's about it. VIX is off nicely, back below 12.5. VXX is below 28. It's looks like it's finally ready to maybe make a run at a new low. We've got a little break from a lot of the trade talk that is scaring people, and that's going to be something. So we're going to be looking at, we already have a Apple trade that we set up against kind of yesterday's earnings release that is working in our favor. We've did some stuff in NVIDIA. We did some stuff in NVIDIA as well that we consider that we're pretty bullish about. And that continues to be strong. So we're going to look at these chip makers. I'm going to maybe look at take another swing at PayPal or Square, which are both names that I like. I took off my bull Square position just today. So even the financials look stronger today. There's really not a lot that doesn't look good. I don't have a lot on in the form of indexes right now. My SPX trade that I put on earlier in the week, namely Monday, I'm exiting, so I will probably put on a new one today. So I've just got to figure out what I'm going to do there. But I'm definitely taking profits in the trade that we had set up earlier in the week. That's for sure. So that's going to be my plan for the day. Markets look like they could be off. I keep waiting for a day where we're up huge. This feels like that could be this day. This could be that day with the Dow up. I could see us making a run at, up 25 today, maybe almost 1%. We haven't had a 1% move in a very long time. Realized to implied is still really, really wide. That's going to have to tighten up. And we're going to need further downside in VIX, plus maybe a little uptick in actual movement. One mover and shaker that doesn't need any help is AMD, which has been an unstoppable force of rally. It's getting to the point of being extremely tired. I'm going to spend a little time looking to see some other kind of safe bearish trades that I can set up. And I'll probably take one more gander at the emerging markets, which you can see are up big today, which is another reason to like the way kind of everything looks. All right, folks, if you got questions, you can email me, marketoption.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.